What happens when the network that keeps your factory running suddenly becomes the network that puts it at risk? Industrial systems are more connected than ever, and with connectivity comes responsibility. The European Cyber Resilience Act is changing the rules, and security can't be ignored, not anymore. At Hilscher, we keep our eyes on what matters most: protecting industrial communication from sensor to cloud. For CRA and IEC 62443, we build ready architecture, secure connectivity, scalable solutions, whether for new systems or brownfield retrofits. With Hilscher, you are ready for the future. Our platforms, like our Multiprotocol SoCs and our netFIELD IIoT solutions, designed with built-in security. Secure boot, multi-protocol capability, centralized device and data management, forming the backbone of our approach. Building secure, scalable, future-proof systems has never been this easy. The Cyber Resilience Act isn't just another regulation. It's reshaping the future of industrial communication. With Hilscher, you don't just stay compliant, you stay ahead. Together, we can turn CRA from a challenge into your strategic advantage.